One night in April 1912, the world witnessed the sinking of a dream, the Titanic, a ship that claimed it would never sink, but precisely because of that, it lives forever in human history, memory, and popular culture. Titanic is not just about a ship. It was a story of the hubris of the industrial age, of men who believed they had conquered nature, and when the ship sank, it left more than just a wreck at the bottom of the ocean. It left a collective wound. On board the Titanic, the world was divided. The first class with all its luxuries, and the third class who could only hope for fate. This tragedy reflects social inequality that has not changed even today. Titanic became a symbol about who had a chance to survive, and who was left behind. 85 years later, James Cameron brings this tragedy to life in an unforgettable way. The movie Titanic was not just a blockbuster, but a global phenomenon. It brought together history and fiction, tragedy and love, fact and imagination, into one new myth that touched millions of lives. From memes to TikTok, Titanic has become the universal language of tragedy and humor. It appears everywhere in museums, in poetry, in games, even in jokes. But underneath it all, Titanic still reminds us that tragedy is not just the past, but a mirror of a world that keeps repeating itself. The 1997 movie Titanic changed everything. Jack and Rose's love story added an emotional layer to a real tragedy, making Titanic a story that touched the hearts of millions. Titanic lives on in memes, TikTok, even parodies. The digital world turns tragedy into reflection, nostalgia, or sometimes dark comedy. Since the wreck was discovered in 1985, Titanic has become a field for scientific and commercial expeditions. But the search has also prompted the question, who has the right to this story? Titanic is just one of many tragedies, but it is unique in that it manages to be a mirror of the world about hope, fear, and who we choose to remember.